What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing and testing out a product I'm very excited about and have been wanting for a long time, and they were nice enough to send me out a set to review, test out, and obviously show you guys. So these are the Syphon Sound Pro Bluetooth headphones. They go into your helmet, so when you're riding either on-road or off-road, you can have your music with you, and you don't have to have like one of those bulky-ass speakers that people put on their handlebars. So yeah, I think these are going to be a big help for me, especially on the road, because this is my first bike, and I'm very anxious on the road, because I'm just constantly worrying about like other cars and like stuff like that. So that's kind of why I usually ride mine just on the trails, unless I'm with James, obviously. But yeah, so these will definitely help with my like on-road anxiety. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox these babies. Alright, so when you open the box, obviously you're going to have the headphones, and then once you take that out, you are going to have the cushions that go on your ears, obviously just to make these a little bit more comfortable. They also give you, let's see what's in here. Okay, so these are just some adhesives. I'm assuming there's some on the back. Obviously you guys are unboxing this with me, so I don't know what else is in here. We got your charging cable, and just looks like more accessories, more cushions, more pads, more 3M stickies. All right, and then you get a sticker. I love me some free stickers. And then your user guide. So I'm obviously going to have to use the user guide as I'm setting this up with you, because this is my first time putting them in. So without further ado, let's get into installing this into my helmet. So I'm going to be installing my headphones into my Fly Racing helmet. For now, I'm going to get a full face eventually, just because like on the road this isn't great. Like this just, it sucks. Great off-road, not that good on-road, but I don't know when I'm getting that. So for now, we're going to install them into my Fly Racing off-road helmet. Now we're going to install the headphones into the helmet itself. So first step is to pair this with your phone. Super easy. You just do a long hold on this piece, and then go into your settings on your phone under Bluetooth, and then hit headphones, and super quick and easy. Took like 2 seconds. And then the next step, you don't have to, but I installed the ear cushions. I played them with and without, and they sound a lot better with the cushions on, so that's what we're doing. So the next step is to physically stick all of this to the helmet. So you're going to see 3 different pieces that come with it. These two with the little holes, these are for the speakers themselves, and then this dual-sided one that looks exactly the same, this is what's going to go on the actual piece that goes on the outside of the helmet. So you're going to pull this one apart, stick one side to this, one side. They recommend the left side of your helmet, so that's what I'm going to go with. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do all that. And then these two, when you peel them apart, the soft side is the side that's going to go in the helmet itself, so you're going to stick that in the little ear pocket, and then this, like the one with the hole in it, is what's going to go on the back of the speaker. Obviously push on that to make sure it's tight. So the other side of this, they say to put it on the left side of the helmet. So I guess just kind of wherever. I'm going to stick it and then put it just to kind of see where I want it. Looks good. Okay, and like I said, when you pull these apart, you're going to put the little one with the ring in it on here. Next step is to install these 2 Velcro pieces on the inside of the helmet in like the little ear holes. I would show you, but it's kind of hard to get to. But you'll feel them inside your helmet, so I'm going to do that real quick. then once that's done, it says to start with the right side. So we're going to put the right side up through the ear lining. Okay, that took forever, but right side's in. Now let's switch it to the left side. And I'm just going to tuck this excess wire just kind of in the back of this cushion. Okay, all good to go. The hardest part was just snapping the earpieces back into place, but super easy install. I'll turn it on and let you guys see how it sounds. Alright, here is it installed. That's what it looks like on the outside. And then inside, you really can't see it, but they're in here in the ear pockets. Okay, so once it's actually installed, obviously to connect to your phone, you just do a long press on this to turn it on, and then tap this to play, tap to pause, and then to adjust the volume higher, or to be louder, sorry, you're going to go forward, and then to turn it down, you're going to go backwards.